Good morning and welcome to a bit of an impromptu video. Basically, long story short, this may be the last time you see the turd. I came to the hard decision a couple of weeks ago that it just isn't big enough for work. As you can see, I'm starting to build a library. I just can't put it in there. So unfortunately it has sold, but luckily it is to a lowdown member. So we are still going to see it. It will still be on the scene. And most importantly, it won't get raised. So, mint. But before it goes, which is next Friday, Andrew Thompson from VWT Mag wants to come out and put a feature on it, which I'm not sure why, because you guys have seen it, but it is pretty cool, and do you mean never going to miss an opportunity for a mag feature. But before Andrew gets here, I've got to throw a new wing on the van because my neighbour did manage to reverse into it the other day. These things happen, do you know what I mean? I don't stress on it. And luckily, like I said, not a £5 paint job. It was done with rattle cans, so easy to repair. The new wings arrived yesterday, so I quickly rattle canned them in the back of the van late last night so they'd be dry for this morning. The only annoying thing is she flattened one of my domes. But yeah, right, let's get this wing on that van before Andrew gets here and then give it a clean, try and polish a turd. Was a mad rush to get the wings on and get it clean because Andrew's turned up with all of his gear now. So I mean, it's as clean as it's gonna be. It looks great with the new wings on, to be fair. Just testing the flash on them now. Yeah. So the paintwork has slightly faded, but it's not that noticeable. But yeah, it's as clean as it's gonna get. So we'll get the camera gear out and get the shoot going. Right, we're actually going to move around the back because there's different coloured storage containers and it's just a bit better for lighting and it will look quite cool. And I don't want to see all the water on the floor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I filmed absolute nothing, so I've just been chatting to Andrew, rattling in his ear for the last hour. But we've done some photos over there, then we've been through and done a couple in here. But Andrew's now going to set up his big rig so we can do a roller of it going past all the barns. And then I'll go get Ruby from school. But yeah, he's such a good photographer. It looks so good. The photos he's taken, I mean, I should have used them for selling it. I could have got twice the money. It looks way better on your camera, doesn't it?
It's good in person as well.
Yeah, thanks, mate. The wings turned out really. As soon as I painted them last night in the back, look at that. Look at the reflection. So the new owner is going to have to touch up the rest of the van, but I bought him a couple of extra cans. But at that, look at that reflection there. Oh, it's lovely.
So pack it up and move it out so I can get on. such thing as perfect, but